Hello everyone, I'm Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another day of barbecue week. I hope you all are enjoying this series so far. It's been so fun to put out all these recipes for you guys. And today we're making something so easy, but extremely delicious. This watermelon cucumber salad is the perfect summer side dish. It is light, it's refreshing, and I don't know, watermelon and cucumber are two of my favorite things. So this salad is just truly where it's at, and I ate it one day like on the side with some corn and some tofu, and it was like the perfect summer meal. And of course it's easy to make. You don't have to turn an oven on or a stove or anything like that, and it just takes a few minutes and then it's delicious and ready. And I mean, who doesn't love to bite into like something refreshing during the summer? So I think you all will really enjoy this one. I think it would go perfectly with the vegan ribs that we made. If you haven't seen the other videos in this little series, definitely be sure to check them out, because I'm giving you guys recipes every single day until the 18th. So you got a few more coming your way. And if you like my videos, if you like what I'm doing, please make sure to give a like, interact with the video. It really helps me to know what you guys like and what you don't like. As always, the full written out recipe is on my blog. There's a link in the description box down below for that. The ingredients are in the description box down below as well, and you can find links for my social media, cookbook, podcast, and things I think you might need for the recipe in the description box down below as well. With all that being said, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is cut up 4 Persian cucumbers. I like to cut them on a slight bias, like just that slight angle. I really like it. It looks pretty. And the Persian cucumbers are so good here because the skin on them is really thin and they don't have big seeds. So you don't need to like do anything to it. You can just cut it up, and then I'm going to place them in a bowl. Then we're going to prep our watermelon next, and we're just going to cut these little pieces into cubes. I wanted to get a watermelon that wasn't pre-cut, but unfortunately all I could find at the time was pre-cut watermelon. I have all tips and tricks for like picking the best watermelons and things like that on the blog post, so definitely check it out. So I just cut those up into bite-sized cubes. How pretty does that look? Oh, these colors, so gorgeous. Then we're going to cut up half of a red onion, and I'm going to thinly slice it. The red onion is such a nice touch in this dish, and since it's not too much red onion, it really doesn't like come off too strong. And again, just thinly slice it up as thin as you can. And it also adds such a nice pop of color in there as well. Then we're gonna just chop up 1 green onion. This was kind of an old green onion. You know how they get like really soft and kind of hard to cut, okay? That's why I was struggling with it, all right? I don't need anybody commenting that I'm not the best cutter. I know I don't have the most amazing knife skills in the world, but this was an old scallion. And the scallion just adds some brightness. And then we're going to also chop up a little bit of curly parsley or flat leaf parsley. I just had curly leaf parsley, nice and small like this. So that's all you gotta do to prep your ingredients. Now get a nice big bowl, like a really big bowl for this, okay? You're gonna start to add in everything that we just prepped and chopped up, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If you're oil free, I have a substitution idea in the blog post. I think tahini could work pretty well here, like a nice runny tahini. And then we're going to measure out 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Make sure you're using nice quality balsamic vinegar. Good. Splurge, spend an extra $1 or $2. It really makes a difference. Then we're going to add some flaky sea salt, or you can just use regular salt if that's all you have, doesn't matter. And now we're just going to give everything a nice big scoop, toss it all up. And it's really important that everything is cold in this salad, so either make sure to refrigerate this for 3 to 4 hours before serving, or kind of like chop up everything ahead of time and then assemble it, whatever it is. But like, you want everything to be really nice and cold and crisp. We don't want like a warm salad for this. Top it with a little more flaky sea salt if desired, and that's it. You're done. How beautiful is this? These colors, so gorgeous. This was so delicious. It'll last for about 2 days. Once it starts to sit around any longer than that, the watermelon and the cucumber really get pretty soft, so I wouldn't recommend to leave it longer than that. All right, everyone, and that was our delicious watermelon cucumber salad. I know it's an easy recipe, but we need easy recipes sometimes. Not every single recipe can be complicated and intricate, and this one is easy and flavorful. So you guys are really going to love it if you make it, I promise. And it's just perfect on that cold summer, on a hot summer day when you have that something cold and refreshing. Oh, so good. If you make it, let me know how it goes. Leave a comment down below, tag me on Instagram, leave a comment on the blog. Just let me know. I love feedback. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye.